Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chazia here, and today I'm going to show you guys a beginner's affordable makeup kit. So basically I've just taken some products which I have in my makeup collection and which are affordable and which I used as a beginner and which every beginner can use. As in, I have included every product of makeup. I had thought, like I started thinking from the start, what to use, from primer to lipstick to a makeup setting spray. So basically I have included all makeup products that you need for a full face makeup look, and I have tried to include the most affordable products that I have and which you guys can purchase too. So yeah, let's get started. So obviously the first thing that goes in our face when starting makeup is a primer. So for primer, you don't have to use a very high-end brand primer. You can go for a very natural thing, that is aloe vera gel. Okay, so this is the green leaf aloe vera gel that I have with me, and this is a really affordable one. I got it from a pharmacy. I don't know the price of it exactly, but it's like really affordable. So you guys can purchase any affordable aloe vera gel from any pharmacy or even from online or from any local store. So just make sure it's of a good quality, and also like aloe vera gel functions as a good natural primer, because aloe vera gel causes some stickiness when you actually apply the primer to your face. It causes some stickiness, and because of that it makes your foundation stick to your face for a longer time. So that way it functions as a good primer. And also you can make a DIY primer with a little bit of aloe vera gel, and you can mix a little bit of cucumber juice along with it. So you can make a homemade primer or a DIY primer in that. Into the next product that goes in our face, that is foundation. So here I have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and the price of this is 500 rupees. And my mom actually uses Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Natural Beige, if you can see. Yeah, it's written here Natural Beige. Actually, it's not really clear. Okay, and it's really affordable, and it's a really good foundation. It's very long lasting. It's a liquid foundation, so it blends really well into your skin, and there are a lot of shades out there in the Fit Me range, so you guys can get the exact foundation for your skin tone. So it's a really good foundation, and it's very affordable as well. It's just 500, and the quantity is 30 ml, if you can see. So that's a good quantity as well. You get a 30 ml bottle for 500 rupees. So it's a good affordable foundation that every beginner can have in her collection. The third product that goes in is concealer. So here I have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I have done an entire review of this concealer on my channel. So you guys can check out the details of the concealer and everything in that video. I'll link it, I'll try to link it above in the video, and I'll put the link in the description box as well. And this costs rupees 475, so that's once again affordable, and the net quantity is 6.8 ml. It's a very good quantity, and this concealer, in short, if I have to give you a review, it blends really well. It does not crease, it hides your dark circles and fine lines, and it does not settle into any fine lines, and it dries very quickly, and it gives you a good coverage in one stroke. So yeah, it's basically a really good concealer. So this is something that every beginner must have, and it's affordable as well. Next product is the compact you need to use. So this is the Lakme 9 to 5 compact, and this is 428 rupees, which is once again affordable, and also it is long lasting. And this compact has vitamin E formula in it. Okay, and yeah, by the way, the shade is almond matte, and it has a unique oil absorbing formula that makes your face oil free, and it just makes your face completely matte. It is available in 3 shades: almond matte, melon matte, and I think apricot matte. I'm not really sure about the third shade name, but yeah, there are 3 shades. And it also has an inbuilt mirror. As you can see, there's a mirror here, and also it has a powder puff, so that's convenient for ladies to apply. And it gives your face a radiant look, and also once again it's affordable. So as a beginner, you can definitely have this in your makeup bag or your makeup collection. Next is the Wet n Wild or Naturel palette. This is actually I purchased it like really long back, so you can see the brown shade has been used up, the black shade has been used up. It's not in a good condition, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I wanted to do a review of this palette soon. I'll do it in my channel. If I do it, I'll link it above, and later on I'll put the link above in this video. So this actually costs AED 50. I purchased it when I was in Dubai, so it came for AED 50, which is actually a good affordable price. And it has 10 shades, and the pigmentation of the shades is really good. It actually has 7 shimmery shades, and the last one is actually not that shimmery, not that matte. It's actually a matte shade with a few hint of sparkles. So basically it's a matte as well as a shimmery shade, I can say. But yeah, the pigmentation of all the shades is really great. It's amazing. But these two matte shades, this light brown and dark brown shade over here, the only con is that they are a little too powdery and a little too chalky. So because of that, sometimes they do get in, you know, you can get fallouts and all with these two shades, and they kind of get transferred and stuff a bit. So that's a little con of this palette. But then overall it's really great. It's affordable as well, and the price is $675. It's actually a good price, guys, because 10 shades are there and pigmentation is good. So yeah, other than a few cons like these two shades being chalky, overall this palette is great. And for a professional bridal use, I wouldn't recommend this palette, but as this is a beginner makeup kit video, I would definitely recommend it for a beginner. You can use this palette for daily use, even for occasions you can use this palette. So as a beginner, you can have it, and yeah. Now the next thing that you use on your face after your eyeshadow, you know, is your blush, highlighter and contour. Yes, for contour, once again you can use your eyeshadow palette itself, as this Wet n Wild All Natural palette has this brown shade. You can use this brown shade as a contouring shade, but if you don't really prefer the shade, as I said that, you know, it's a bit chalky and all, then I have another dupe mentioned for you guys. Not exactly dupe, but something that's another option. That is the Essence Shape Your Face Contouring Palette. I have mentioned that link in the I have given the purchase link of that contouring palette and highlight, and it's actually trio palette, so it has contouring, blush as well as a highlight shade. So I have mentioned that link in my description box. So you guys can purchase that, and you can use blush, highlight and contouring in one palette itself, and the price of that palette is 416 rupees, so that's also affordable. So yeah, you can use that for all the three things. But what I have over here is this Body Shop's Baked Blush, and this is in the shade 02 Coral. So this actually has a blush as well as a highlight kit. I'm sorry for the mess over here. It had this tape thing, so you know, I just couldn't help it. So it has this blush and highlight shade, and these both shades are really good. They're so pigmented actually, and they really give you that, you know, especially this blush color gives you this fresh flush of pink on your cheeks. And this is also a long lasting blush and a highlight. So I'll just show you guys the swatch. See, I kind of swatched it really light. And the highlight shade, this is the highlight shade. See, you guys can see the pigmentation. So it's actually kind of a very pigmented blush, but the problem of this is that it's not affordable. It's actually, I got it for 1,340 rupees from the Body Shop store, but in online the price is 1,809 rupees in online. So if you guys want, you can go for this for 1,809 rupees, but if you guys feel that it's not affordable, you want to have something that's affordable, then you can definitely go for the Essence Shape Your Face Contouring Palette. That's the reason I've mentioned that option over there. So yeah. The next thing that you want for your eyes after eyeshadow is obviously eyeliner. So I have the Maybelline Master Precise Matte Ink Liner over here, and this is in the shade 22. And this is a really pigmented and a matte and intense black eyeliner, and this has a precise tip. It has this you know, felt tip, as you can see. So it's a really pigmented eyeliner, and the coverage of it is great as well, and it's a very long lasting eyeliner as well. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. And in Dubai I got it for AD50, and in India the price is 425 rupees. So it's actually affordable, and it's affordable too, so you need to have this in your collection. Now obviously kajal is something that every Indian girl needs. So this is the Lakme Iconic Kajal, which is very common, and I have done a review of this kajal in my Nykaa haul video. I'll just put the link again. I'll try to put it in the video, and I'll try to put it in the description box or in the comment section. I'll pin the link in the comment section for you guys, so it'll be easy for you. And the price of it is 162 rupees. In the site that I have mentioned, in the purchase link that I have mentioned, it's INR 162, but then there are a lot of other websites which have for like different prices, so I can't really say whether, you know, the price is fixed 162 rupees. So I got it along with another product from Nykaa, so I kind of got a discount as well, so it was a different price which I had got it for. And in short about this kajal, it's pigmented, it has a good coverage, but it's not that long lasting. It claims to be 22-hour long lasting, but to be honest, and with my experience, it's actually not long lasting. You know, it kind of gets smudged within 4 to 5 hours, but it's waterproof, as you can see. It's written smudge proof, it's ophthalmologically tested and stuff. That's a really good thing, but in terms of long lasticity, to be honest, it's not that long lasting. You can check out the full review in that Nykaa haul video. So yeah, for an affordable kajal, this is something that you can have. Obviously, as I said, it's not long lasting, so I wouldn't recommend it for professional bridal use, but this is a beginner makeup kit video, so as a beginner you can have this and use it for daily wear. For mascara, I have the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm sorry, this looks messy too. Okay, and this is actually infused with argan oil. There are a lot of other Lash Sensational mascaras. There is this one normal, Lash Sensational Mascara which has a pink tube, which is not infused with oil blends. You can get either one of them. It's affordable and it's a very good mascara. It volumizes your lashes, separates it. It's very long lasting as well. It's waterproof and it's a really, really great mascara. And this is 500 rupees. So once again, it's affordable as well as it's really great. So even for professional use, I would recommend this mascara, and even as a beginner you can use it. It's totally amazing. We are never complete without lipsticks. You need to have a lipstick in a beginner makeup collection. So this is the Maybelline's Color Sensational lipstick in the shade 986 Melted Chocolate, and this is actually a nude shade that I have. So there are a lot of other shades in the Color Sensational range. There are lots of reds, pinks, nudes as well. And I'll just show you guys a swatch. I've shown the swatch and I've spoken everything about the lipstick in my lipstick collection video. I'll link that video also, you guys can check it out. But in short, this lipstick is good. The coverage is good, the shade is amazing, everything is good. It doesn't dry out your lips and stuff, but it's not that long lasting, because normally lipsticks are not that long lasting as compared to liquid lipsticks. So it's not that long lasting, but it is a good lipstick. You can use it for daily wear, and as a beginner I would definitely recommend it. As I said, lipsticks are not that long lasting when compared to liquid lipsticks. So if you're someone who is a fan of liquid lipsticks than normal lipsticks like me, then you should definitely go for the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. This is in the shade 70 Amazonian, and I have done a review of this lipstick in my mini Nykaa haul video. As usual, for the kajal, I'll mention it in the description box, so you guys can check the review of this lipstick as well from there itself. So guys, this lipstick I cannot emphasize more. It's 16-hour long lasting. It's super amazing. The texture is awesome. The coverage is great. It's 16-hour long lasting once again, and it doesn't dry out your lips, and there is like no con of this lipstick at all. I can't even say one con of this lipstick. It's amazing, guys. But yes, the price is not that affordable. Once again, it's 625 rupees, but trust me guys, if you buy it for 625 rupees, you will not regret even a bit after using this lipstick, because it's that great. You will not regret spending that 625 rupees on this liquid lipstick, because it's seriously that amazing. Trust me, when you use it, you'll come to know how great it is. Okay, even if you eat food, even if you drink water, whatever, even if your lips get exposed to other stuff, this lipstick is not going to move away at all. It's not going to budge even a bit. It's going to just stay in your lips for 16 hours. Okay, so it's great in that way. So you guys will not regret getting it for 625. But if you guys don't want to spend so much, if you want something that's for a lesser price, you do not really consider the long lasticity too much, then I would recommend you to go for the Miss Claire matte lip cream, soft matte lip cream, and they cost 295 rupees, which is like really affordable. So if you guys want something that's affordable, you don't really consider the long lasticity too much, then you can go for the Miss Claire matte lip cream. They are transfer proof, they are good. I've heard that they are long lasting, but not as long lasting as the Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick, because they are, I don't know how many hours long lasting, but I've heard that if you like eat food and all, it does kind of get budged and smudged away. So yeah, if you guys want to go for that, then I'll mention that purchase link in the description box. You guys can go for it. So yeah, now the last and final thing that you need for setting your entire makeup is setting spray, which I unfortunately don't have in my collection yet, but I'll definitely purchase one soon. But I have one in the purchase link for you guys. That's the Miss Claire matte setting spray. That is for rupees 430. That's once again affordable. So I've not used it yet, but I've heard that setting spray kind of makes your makeup long lasting, and it doesn't it actually helps your makeup to get that matte finish on your face. It just sticks to your face and stuff. So it's a good makeup setting spray as a beginner. So I'll put the same link in the description box so you guys can purchase it. So yeah. So guys, these were my affordable makeup kit. This was my affordable makeup kit for beginners. So if you guys felt this helpful, then yeah, you should definitely go for it. Obviously, other than the Wet n Wild All Natural palette and the Maybelline Superstay lipstick, the rest of them were under 600, like 500, and less than 500. And as I said, the Maybelline Superstay lipstick, okay, even if it is 625, it's totally worth buying. But if you guys don't want to spend 625, then I've given you another option. And I've given you another option of the Body Shop Big Blush as well, which is costly. So you guys can purchase the Essence one, which is kind of affordable. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you have any queries related to beauty, skincare, health, or makeup, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.